Hello, Liberty Academy. Just a few reminders for things that we're seeing. First of all, school starts at 8:20 a.m. You are coming into advisory, which the attendance counts for third hour study skills. So please don't discount the importance of advisory because the attendance does go into your third hour study skills. No entry into the cafeteria will be allowed after 8:25 a.m. And this is just so that classes can get started in a timely fashion. And yes, I know that is after the time in which school starts, but sometimes that is the time that the North Bus rolls in. Students must eat in the cafeteria and move on to class by 8:30 at the latest. And water will be the only thing that's permitted to be taken out of the cafeteria per the district guidelines with food safe allergens. As far as attendance goes, accurate attendance is important. It's just as important for the teachers to take attendance as it is for you to be here. Part of that reason is because we get our funding from the state of Missouri based on our attendance. And you need to be here to be successful. The research is very, very heavily handed that says that basically when you're here, the more you're here, the better you do. Because it allows for you to learn, and you know that after your 10th absence in any one class, you must go through the credit denial process. This means that you could actually end up passing the class at the end of the semester, but if you have 11 or more absences, you could be denied credit and have to retake the class. The district goal is that we would have a 90% attendance rate. And when the data was pulled on September 30th, we had 53% of our students who had 90% or better attendance. When compared to all the students at LHS and North, theirs were 90 and 91. And so we want to set a goal to improve to 70% of our students over 90%, and we're going to celebrate with a donut party when it happens. Lunch. The first lunch needs to remember that they report to class first. When we moved to the new building, we flopped some lunch shifts, and another class is getting lunch at 11:10, which allows you to check into your class, get attendance taken, and then be released from your teacher at 11:20 to head over to the cafeteria. Platinum students may sit outside if the weather is suitable for you, and we do appreciate you cleaning up your area in the cafeteria. Noticing a lot of students out of class. Please remember that if you're out of class, you need to have a pass from your teacher. You need to use the pass as it's intended. I've encountered a lot of students where I ask them what they're doing and they may be outside and they say they're getting a Tylenol. Well, oddly, Ms. Straw's desk isn't outside, or they may be on the phone in the hallway and they have a bathroom pass. So don't compromise your integrity with a teacher by getting a pass to do something and do something else. I think we're all better than that. We want more for you than that. So please use the passes as they are intended. Other things to note is please respect other classrooms by not disturbing them. This could be by you being loud in the hallway, being a distraction, or popping your head in or coming into their rooms. If that's not your class, you do not belong in there. As far as the south building, when you are returning from whatever you're doing over there, unless you have a teacher accompanying you, you'll need to enter through the main doors. I know it's crazy, but the harder you pull does not mean it's going to magically open, so you're going to have to go through the front doors. I know that's a little cumbersome now, but they're working on a solution, hopefully, that could be in place for next year. And, we're just appreciative of the space, and we'll just have to kind of work with some of the kinks out as we go. But thank you for allowing us to share these reminders, and we just want you to be the best you can be.